Alright, so we're right here. You can read all of this, of course. Pause it. See everything it says. It's pretty cool. This is the highest bridge, highway bridge in the state of Texas at 273 feet. But you can read that one all about that. So what's in front of this sign? The bridge, of course. Right there. How cool is that? We're here on a very, very, very cloudy day. There's the bridge. Right down there's the river, of course. Up here from this point of view, you see you got vents and stuff down here. A lot of sticks sticking out of the water. A nice reflection of the bridge. And the Pecos River and those canyons go all down through there. So you can see it's quite the cloudy day. It was much, much foggier earlier, but it's actually supposed to break this afternoon. So I'll get some sunny video of it as well. But hopefully you enjoyed just this quick little tale. All these nice big cliffs. Very cool area, I like. Okay, so today is Friday, December 29th, 2017. It's about, I don't know, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3:21. Anyway, what you're looking at down here is the Pecos Bridge. So over there is the Pecos River, which you can see there now with the bridge. This bridge, as I showed you earlier, is the highest one on a highway in Texas. So that's pretty good. And you can see it rolls on this way. We're at another point. And speaking of points, over through there, if this is even coming through, it's so small I can't see it on my screen here, but that's where we're staying at over there. The RV way over there across this ravine. So we're going to head on down this way and go check this out even closer. So let's go do that. Alright, so we've come down to the lowest point we can come without falling and dying, literally. But here's the bridge from pretty darn close up. You can see across the water. There we go. Nice reflection there. Right there's a set of rocks, and then right there it's down 250 feet, give or take. That's looking back the other way up the Pecos River there as it goes down to the Rio Grande to empty out. Here's my camera set up right here. So I've been shooting just this close to the edge. And then see a big old hole right down there. Rocks broke off. Down in here is a cave. And of course right here is where some rocks are broken. I can show that color. And again up there, at the very top, is where we're staying. It should be about the center, give or take, of the screen now. And so, see all those sticks down there in the water? There's like a million of those things all over this. So I take it the water level's pretty low. But still, it's a cool place, neat scene. Oh, I doubt if you can see it. I don't know if you can, but there's a bunch of birds, at least a dozen, flying around over there. Buzzards, I guess, vultures, whatever you want to call them. Pretty neat place. So we're going to take off and see what else we can see. Alright, so now here we are, December 30th, 2017, about 12:15 or so in the afternoon. We are down about 18 miles north of Laredo, Texas. We're here at the Welcome Center for Texas, and you can see it looks different from the bridge at the Pecos River that we were at this morning. Nice palm trees through there. Over there's the interstate. That will be 35. And this place is made so fancy, I needed to make a little video and show it to you. See this nice entrance here? Isn't that pretty cool? Look at this. Nice picnic areas. Everything's different colors. Look at that yellow, green, blue. Nice pond here. Here's this reddish, pinkish looking one. Not sure what that color, and blue and stuff over there. See, they got a fountain there in the middle. It ain't turned on, obviously. A little waterfall that ain't working right now. But boy, talk about an oasis in the desert. In the summertime, this would be real nice. But that's the building there. That's made pretty cool. Got this big Texas thing here. This is backwards. We'll shoot it the other way. But you can see the star in the Lone Star. And then out there, another entrance. See all those things up there. Alright, now let's shoot this. Yep, see it says Laredo. And make sure, there we go, that's the whole thing. So it says Laredo right on it. It says Armando Flores, artist, 1999. Look, they've even got a Doritos machine and a Coke machine. And then all these nice columns walking through here. Bathrooms on either side. A fountain here in the middle. So this is nice. Very nice. We like it. Automatic caution door. Go ahead, madam. You're fine. Ooh, look at this saddle. Hey, how you doing?
Good, you? Doing well, thank you. Did you have any help?
That is nice.
Just looking at that.
There's some Big Ben stuff right here. And other stuff. Yeah, I want to get this stuff. Pretty nice, pretty nice. There we go. Nice pictures up there. And then in there, Happy New Year, YouTube. Yep, January 1st, 2018. You see the breath coming out of my mouth? It's very, very cold, very windy. Hopefully you can hear me here. I'm making this video because we are here at our last stop. We've been here for 2 days. We're going to our permanent little home here for January. Just out here to check things out, you know, check out the car, make sure that it's still strapped down tight, that is. Oh yeah, that looks good. So the area that we've been staying in for 2 days is about 3 miles north of San Iglesia or something like that. I'm forgetting the name of it now. We're about 15 miles. Let me see. We're about 15 miles north of Zapata, Texas. We were there yesterday. And anyway, I did take a few pictures of this on my phone. I'll just show you right quick. Right down there is the Rio Grande. So yes, we've been staying right there for 2 days, which is Rio Grande, and obviously across it you're looking at Mexico. So we stayed maybe 300-400 feet from Mexico for 2 days now. You see the sky is horrible. The temperature is just above freezing. so it's very, very cold. And we got this little picnic shelter here, and other than that, there ain't nothing else here. This is just a picnic stop where, like I said, we've been staying for 2 days, and now we're heading down. And I'll even go ahead and tell you now is we will be in Westlaco, Texas, and hanging out there. So we're gonna get everything taken care of, get roadworthy, and get on our way so we can get there and get set up, and then we'll take her from there. Hopefully you've enjoyed this whole part, and we'll see you on the next one.